5 for Salisbury. It's Tyler Katz now to try to close the door here. Bases loaded with Endicott.
Tyler's a freshman from Chantilly, Virginia. Tyler on the year 1-0 with a 1.17 ERA. Since his 14th appearance, all but one out of the bullpen. In 15 and a third innings, he's allowed 9 hits, a couple earned runs, walked 8 and struck out 14. Opponents have hit at 167 against this freshman.
Brady Rickenbach is the pinch hitter for Endicott, hitting in Kamuta's spot, number 9 in the batting order. 1-0 to Brady. Brady's a backup catcher, a sophomore, 6-footer, 235. Big body up there. Takes a strike, 2-1. The lead is 5-1. Anything tacked on here really makes it difficult for Salisbury. And Brady was swinging for the mini putt, which is in left center. No one's mini putting at this hour.
I think it's against the law.
I believe so. 2-2 to Rickenbach. Didn't get cheated up there.
Rickenbach from Manchester, New Hampshire.
Sitting 2-2 against Katz. Punches it to right. Making the catch, Newton, side retired. But tack on one more for Endicott. The Gulls go to the bottom of the 9th, leading the Seagulls 5-1.